to my YouTube channel. For today, I'm gonna do an unboxing, full walkthrough, and honest review of this. This is Xiaomi Band 5. This is a global version of Xiaomi Band 5. Inside the box are smartwatch, charging cable, and user manual. Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. The Xiaomi Band 5 is compact and portable with body dimension 26.5 by 1.7 by 1 cm. It's not heavy with body weight of 12 grams. It is as light as one AAA battery. It has a large oval electronic display, not the usual round or square, with display dimension 4.5 by 1.7 by 1 cm. The length is almost like one AAA battery. Width is almost like two AAA batteries, and thickness is almost like one AAA battery. With screen size 2.5 by 1.3 centimeters. It comes in a standard black strap, perfect for me because I love black. Strap is made of thermoplastic polyurethane or TPU. TPU is a material between rubber and plastic. With easy-to-wear pin-type closure. It's very convenient to use. Just snap it in and snap it out. The strap is interchangeable, but the standard strap has 13 holes. So it's adjustable with wearable length. Biggest is 25 centimeters. And the smallest is 19 centimeters. So it will fit almost all sizes. Plus, it is dust-proof, water-resistant, and sweat-resistant. It uses a lithium-ion battery with battery capacity of 125 mAh. It's rechargeable using a magnetic cable. Very convenient, just snap and charge. With long battery life of 14 days in normal mode or 20 days in power saving. The Xiaomi Band 5 uses 1.1-inch AMOLED 2.5D colorful touchscreen display with 126 by 29 pixel resolution, 16-bit display color depth, 516 KB RAM, and 16 MB flash memory. It supports Android 5.0, iOS 10 and above. Download the MyFit app and pair the Xiaomi Band 5 with any device. Number 1, status. Here you can check the current day total number of steps, distance, calories, and number of idle alerts you had, plus the 7-day steps. Next is PI, or Personal Activity Intelligence. It's a personal physiological indicator based on heart rate, daily activity intensity, etc. Here you can check your 7-day PI. Next is heart rate with 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Here you can see the last heart rate check result and can also do an actual heart rate check. Next is notification. This is to be set on the MyFit app. Choose the band alerts you want, incoming calls, SMS, email, app notification, and a lot more. Next is stress. With 24-hour stress monitoring, here you can see an update of the last stress check result and can also do an actual stress check. Next is breathing. Here you can do a guided 1-minute breathing exercise. Inhale and exhale as instructed by the animation. In the end, it will show the number of breath and heart rate change. Next is cycles, or women's health tracking. This is to be set on the MyFit app first. Afterwards, you can see here current month's menstruation cycle, fertile period, and ovulation day. Next is events. This is to be set on the MyFit app. Key in the event reminders for band alerts. Next is weather. Here you will see an update of current day weather and the next day 3-day forecast. Next is workout. Here you can do one of 11 professional sport modes and track fitness records like time, distance, speed, calories, etc. And while doing that, you can turn on health alerts like heart rate, pace, speed, distance alerts. The last but not the least, more. DND or do not disturb. Alarm. Camera shutter. Music playback, stopwatch. Timer. Find device. World clock. And band display. Or personalize the watch face via the MyFit app. Choose from 60 dial themes, including choose your own background. So you've seen the unboxing and full walkthrough of this Xiaomi Band 5. Now it's time for me to share my honest product review. Just a quick reminder, this is not a sponsored. It wasn't sent for me for free. So please expect an honest product review. Here are my 3 of my least favorite of the Xiaomi Band 5. Number 1 is the pin type closure of the strap. Yes, it is convenient, easy to wear, just snap in and out, but I find the pin too thin. I worry that it might break easily or the hose might get loose easily with everyday use. So extra careful is needed. Number 2 is the 10-second auto screen off. Yes, it is power saving not to have an always on display option, but I find the 10-second as maximum idle time before the screen shuts off really fast. So extra quick browsing is needed. Number 3 is the band and phone connectivity. Yes, it is awesome that they work together, but I noticed that if the phone and the band are somehow far from each other, there is a tendency they lose connectivity, the pairing, and the sync, and other features gets affected. So close proximity is needed. Here are my 3 of my most favorite of the Xiaomi Band 5. Number 1, I like that the Xiaomi Band 5 is user-friendly. It's more than a watch. It is a fitness tracker, it's a health tracker, and a lot more. And it's not rocket science. You don't need to be techie to use it. Number 2, I like to find the device in both ways. You can find your phone using your Xiaomi Band 5, and at the same time, you can find your band using your phone via MyFit app. So it's really helpful for someone forgetful like me. And number 3, I like the band alerts. Not just the alerts on incoming calls, incoming SMS, emails, and a lot more. I'm talking about band alerts for number 1, goal notification. If you have reached your activity and weight goal, it's like pat on the back saying good job. And I also like the health alerts. It's just a reminder. It's a reminder that you have reached your limit. For example, the heart rate, your pace, your distance, and a lot more. It's a different kind of pat on the back saying slow down. It will be helpful for someone to avoid untoward incident. So that's about it, the unboxing, full walkthrough, and honest review of this. This is Xiaomi Band 5. Please stay tuned on my YouTube channel. I have another smartwatch, the Huawei Band 4 Pro. I'll be doing the same thing. So that's coming up very soon. So if you have any questions, suggestion, collab, and product feature, please comment down below, or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. Please feel free to like, share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.